This video shows you how to fix YouTube voice search, not understanding your voice and get it working properly again. If your voice commands are not being recognized, the most common reason is corrupted cache or incorrect language settings. Follow these simple steps to solve the issue quickly. Method 1. Clear YouTube cache and data. Over time, temporary files inside the app can become corrupted and affect performance, including voice search. First, open your phone's settings, go to apps and scroll down to find YouTube. Tap on storage, press clear cache to remove temporary files safely. If the problem continues, go back and tap clear data. This will reset the app completely, so you may need to log in again. But it often fixes deeper issues that cache clearing cannot solve. Method 2. Change voice search language settings. Sometimes YouTube cannot understand your voice simply because the language setting is incorrect. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Go to Settings, gear icon in the top corner. Select General from the menu. Scroll down and tap Voice Search Language. Choose your preferred language from the list. Once selected, the setting saves automatically. Make sure you pick the language you speak most clearly to improve accuracy. After completing these steps, restart the YouTube app. Try using voice search again by tapping the microphone icon and speaking clearly in a normal tone. In most cases, these fixes will immediately solve the issue and improve recognition accuracy. Now you can enjoy smooth and accurate YouTube voice search without frustration.